It looks like it flies lighter.
Yeah, too little.
25%, 55%, 50%.
Oh, no, it's actually worse.
50%. 25%. 0. 25%. 0.
I'd say somewhere closer to 40.
You think 40?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is together though. I'm surprised how it gets more stable than the F-22s are. Look at that wind.
All right, take it off, left or right. Downwind.
Oh, almost met.
And a downwind.
Okay.
Turn the base.
Corner vertical.
Limit disengaged.
Loop.
Coming over runway.
50%.
Turn the base.
50%.
Coming straight down the runway.
Time remaining 1 minute 10 seconds. 50%. 50%.
Whoops.
50%.
I guess we're not landing yet.
9, 8. Land immediately.
All right, I just did my bingo call out.
So we're all out of fuel at about the same damn time.
50%. 0.
Yeah, Mom. Trying to wrap it up right now.
Right, I'm not too far behind you.
Reverse full.
Into the runway on the right. Oops. There you go. Oops.
50%.
How about we stagger our time a little bit
50%.
better?
50%.
Like this, everybody. I want to run.
Yeah, what's with the live or let die, huh?
50%. 0.
I love how it just gets thrown to the left.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a minute. So we're not landing on top of each other.
But why?
I'm not a fan of that. All right, taking off left.
50%. 50%.
Ooh. Love it.
1 minute.
All right, where you at?
I'm done. I'm not taking a chance this time. Whoa.
0. Reverse 0.
Keep it to the right. There you go.